Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby.
A slice of Zhuhai for you. We were gonna go into that little side street over that way. We're just gonna kind of take a look. So we were kind of in this area with this on a bridge, and then you can also look out over into a school, so you kind of get an idea of what different parts of Zhuhai looks like. Also all the tall buildings in the background. There's a hospital right there, the blue one behind this one. This is a school. You can see the basketball court. This one goes directly down to Macau if you took it all the way down. Interesting car. There's even some parks, some nice trees. So I saw this street from the distance. We're gonna go down that one. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so you probably saw that up on the map. And what we're doing really is just kind of giving you an idea of what Zhuhai looks like, all the different spots. These are some nice palm trees right there. And I think what we're gonna do is go down this elevator. And then we're gonna go down this way, and then we're gonna go that way. Okay, so now we're just down on this kind of commercial business district. Kind of wouldn't mind getting something to drink. Let's see. I really like this like lemon tea one, lemon iced tea, Thai lemon iced tea. I usually get this one called I don't see it right now, but I might just get it anywhere because it tastes so refreshing. That's one of the things about South China. It's like, oh my god, like iced lemon tea, amazing down here. Here's some popsicles. Let me just kind of see what they got in here. It's like corn flavored, pineapple flavored, grape, bean, mocha. Okay, so, oh, this is funny. The street I was gonna do has a public toilet. So if it has a public toilet, it means that it's kind of a, there's usually a reason for that. So we're gonna be walking down. Let's go take a look at the sign real quick. Huh, it's kind of a nice leafy street. That's the street name, Ruyi. I wonder why they don't have the accent marks on the... when they write it in the English letters, you know, they don't have the accent marks, you know, the how you pronounce it. I wonder why that is. So here's a little music one. Champion Pizza. It's kind of a nice leafy street. I kind of want to go into the middle a little bit. So yeah, I guess the public bathroom was right there. So that is where the public bathroom is at. And then that means that this middle street is probably like there's enough pedestrians to warrant a public bathroom, probably. Although Zhuhai is pretty good about having them in many different places, so let's see. I don't know what that is. Looks like it. Looks like that was like a music. It's like a it's like a Chinese musical instrument, but I don't know the name of that, and I don't know it in English or Chinese. I just know that I've seen it. Okay, let's go over to this side. It's like, it's kind of cool because you can go in here and then there's like residential apartments. Fresh rice rolls. There's even places to sit too, right? Oh, they're playing something. Different shops. Hair salon. Clothing store. Let's take a look at some of these apartment styles. This apartment style is kind of interesting because it has like these windows that go around like that. These ones have the balconies. That street's kind of short, so I kind of want to highlight everything. Yeah. So this has like a little concave thing that goes out like that. Kind of cool. And if you go in here, there's like nice balcony stuff like right in there. I wonder, like someday I wonder if they have like businesses throughout here. They might. Yeah, I guess it's just pure residential. And then look at these balconies here too. And then you got another public bench, you can sit right here too. It's kind of nice little community actually. So a lot of these, you see some other people, kind of older people, a lot of older people out here, I guess. Got fresh fruits. That's one of the great things about all of China actually, is that you can get fresh fruits right downstairs from your house. So they'll get, I think people are so healthy because they can always get fresh things that aren't filled with preservatives. Check out that tree. It's a crazy looking tree. Okay. Hello. How are you? There's another of those interesting balconies right there too, right? This street's kind of filled with interesting balconies. Yeah, check that out. Like that right there looks like that looks an amazing drawing. Yeah, this whole street is just kind of filled with all these trees that go all the way down it, right? So you have this wonderful shade. Yeah, actually, this looks so photogenic. With a good camera, you could zoom in on some of these and have some really nice images. And it goes down like that too. Okay. So let's keep on going down. It's kind of cool. And there they're playing, I think, mahjong, or yeah, playing mahjong in there. Okay. Hello, Dai Xiao. Hello, Dai Xiao. They're playing more of the games over there too. Guilo is foreigner, so I don't know if they're saying Guilo foreigner or they're saying something that sounds like Guilo. Let me see what else we got. So this was our target street. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into it a little bit more because it is so cool looking. And I'm kind of curious. I want to go down the next block over to see if it looks kind of similar. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little neighborhood. Like if you lived in this neighborhood, you could walk to the beach. You could walk to the opera house, walk around in the evening. Then you also have all these nice trees too. The shops are very functional, so that means you can get all your like slippers and fruit. So yeah, very, very functional. Rooms, household items. So yeah, if you lived here, you don't have to go, like in the United States, you have to go to like, jump in a car and go to a Walmart, and they'll have one about every 20 miles for almost anywhere in the country. And that's kind of where you have to go for things. But here you can just live there, come down, get, you know, all your basics. So you might need to get, you know, new broom, toys for the kids, hula hoop for the kids, shoes, fans. So all you have to do is just go downstairs and you have instant access to them. So it's kind of cool. Stationery store for kids as well. Swimming, because you can go swimming at the beach. So it's kind of cool. Well, I like this neighborhood. It's really chill and really quiet. I wish I spoke. I'm going to study the language. It'd be fun just to interview people. There's another public bathroom right over there. So that goes directly to the ocean. Oh, this is kind of a cool. So these apartments right here, they got these nice windows and they have these big balconies. Let's kind of take a look at that. That's cool. So yeah, those ones right there. Okay. So this is where we're at, basically. This looks like a stationery store. Emergency shelter. So I guess if there's some kind of typhoon, you can come to this building, but this is ground level though, so I don't know. Anyways, I think we're kind of getting a little bit past the street that we wanted to check out. So I'm just want to see these signs are real quick, and then I think we're gonna end the video. These are some of the apartments. So lots of apartments that look like this in this area. And yeah, we're basically down in there. So let's end our video right here.